This is the Gooniac center burner. I'm going to put in the three-wing 90mm F-18C. It works off of the flight pack, which is nice. I don't need a separate 2-cell LiPo to run it. On-off switch, so that's neat. And it even came with some zip ties. I was really dreading having to feed what I thought was going to be a bundle of wires all the way through. But that looks like that won't be a problem. There's a single positive and negative. Meg, what are you doing? I'm just sniffing paint. This is going to be really bright. Those LEDs packed on there. Not going to worry about that stuff coming loose. So the fan's out. I've got my go get 'em wire fed through the fuselage. It's going to go underneath that ESC strap right there. I'll set this wire underneath it. Keep it from blowing around in the duct. Really simple design. I really like that. Secure it with these grub screws that were on the original fan shroud. Fitting nicely. That's the power wire to the unit. Fan's ready. It's secured. Wire harnessed on the throttle channel. I just noticed that the power line, that absolutely looks on purpose, goes to the control board for the unit. I'm not seeing where you set on this the threshold for the thing to turn on. I guess it's totally automatic, or I haven't read the manual. Definitely haven't. This is what goes to the balance lead of that 6-cell LiPo right there. This is what goes back to the burner unit that I attached to the shroud. We'll plug it in and see how it goes. Oops.